Changing the air filters on a 2018 Genesis G80. First step is, well, buy the air filters. Got K&Ns from Amazon here. What you're gonna need socket wrench, ratchet. You're gonna need to take off the push pins. These are the push pins right here. Conceptually, what happens is that you'll see these, they'll be kind of like that. You have to push the center piece down and then use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the rest. You're gonna need to do that for the front plastic. You just take, I have 5, you'll probably have more. Mine is a used vehicle, but basically just slides right off, pops right off. And the air filters are located over here as well as over here. You're going to need to get both a left and a right. Then we're going to need to pop the pins. There are 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't mean pins, I meant clasps. So I've done it on the left already. Now I'm going to do it on the right. So that's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Don't mind it. The car's been running. Could be hot. And there's the last one. That's 4 of them. For the socket wrench, you're going to need, because this is a metric actually. If you have metric, all the more power to you, but this is in US Imperial, it's 1532. This is the old air filter. It's a genuine Hyundai Kia part. There's a different left versus a right. Right one goes in like that. You see mine's fairly filthy. I'm gonna put in a rechargeable lifetime air filter, K&N. Lastly, we're dropping in the brand new K&Ns. For some reason, they're kind of oiled up a bit out of the box, which is fine. Just drops in, make sure that the thicker side is facing down. Should be flush like that. Neighbors in this vet. Beautiful car. Doesn't seat 4 or 5. And we're locking everything up. Then the molding. I believe it needs to be tucked in on both sides here first. Tuck in there, tuck in there. And then these, you're gonna have to pull it back and under, I believe. Or the other way around. Do that first and then do the mold, the sides last. Way easier to do the front first. Also watch out for the weather stripping. Make sure you tuck it underneath and in. Then you can do the sides. Just bend and put it back in. Go on record saying I really love these pins. Out, now you just press it in. There we go, all done. Optional last step is to take a sticker and put it on the air filter housing so that you know to wash the filter instead of replacing it next time. There we go, final product.